Ever had a head gasket fail on your diesel? Oftentimes, it's those factory head bolts giving up under pressure. We're going to unbox an ARP Diesel Head Stud Kit and show you the upgrade to factory hardware that will keep your heads locked down even under high boost. On high-performance builds, stock head bolts can stretch and fail, leading to blown gaskets or worse. That's why ARP Head Studs are the go-to solution for anyone building a performance engine. Inside the box, you've got premium ARP 2000 head studs, which are rated at 220,000 psi tensile strength, 12-point chromoly nuts, hardened washers, and a tube of ARP assembly lube. Every piece is precision heat-treated, thread-rolled, and finished with a black oxide coating for strength and corrosion resistance. Each stud is centerless ground and shot-peened for optimum fatigue strength. That means your cylinder heads stay clamped tight even under extreme cylinder pressures. If you're building your truck for increased performance, or you're just wanting the most dependability out of your diesel, ARP Head Stud Kits are available for a wide range of engine platforms. Head over to XDP and get a set for your engine today.